Okay guys, today we're talking half racks, and this one is super heavy duty for any amount of weight that you can lift. What's up guys, I'm Alan Branch from Carolina Fitness. This is the champ, Derek Sellis. And Derek, today we're highlighting something we don't normally do. We're highlighting some used pieces because we got a few of them in. Outstanding deal, especially with that person that's looking to lift a little bit heavier of a weight.
Correct. So this is the Power Lift Half Rack. It is a collegiate style half rack. It is a beefy piece and it is perfect for a home gym or a commercial facility. We got about 10 of these in stock, and they come with the bench and a platform as well. So we don't have the platform set up here because it's just so big, but I mean, if you look at this thing, it's a monster. Okay, so some of the features of this unit, because you can tell just by standing beside it, it's heavy duty. Oh yeah. You're getting the spotter arms. These things are massive, and they're gonna be really good at protecting you when you're squatting or if you're doing, like pin press or anything like that. You got beefy J hooks that are easy to adjust. You pull up, push up, you pull out. You got two options for pull-ups. You got bar storage, or plate storage and bar storage, and the bench slides into the foot plates for like lift-offs and stuff like that. So when it's in, it's locked in place and it's not going anywhere.
And again, the platform comes with the unit.
Exactly. You got enough room to like deadlift outside of the actual rack itself. So there's plenty of room to come in and step into the rack or step outside of the rack to get your movements in.
All right guys, so there you have it. If you're looking for something from the used category that's super heavy duty for powerlifting, weight training, football, conditioning, anything that you need it for, Power Rack. Derek, thanks buddy for the time today. We appreciate it. Guys, we'll see you next time.